going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Orlando. So we're gonna start out here in City Walk at Universal Studios, walk around here, head over to International Drive, show you around Disney Springs and some other places across Orlando. Let's do this. So there's many Universal experiences you'll have here in Universal Studios Orlando. They have two theme parks, and here's the big one, the Harry Potter experience. You actually have to buy two different passes to get to the park, so you can do both parks in a 48-hour period, I believe. Depends on the ticket you get. But this is not a Universal video, this is Orlando. So I'm just going to show you guys the City Walk here before I take you over to International Drive. So, you know, Disney has many theme parks here as well. And if I was to compare Universal or Disney, man, I would say, can you do them both? Disney has Animal Kingdom, Magic Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, so there's a lot there. Yeah, this is the Universal area. Let's keep cruising here. Yeah, here's a great view of the Universal campus here, the theme park area. Got Hard Rock over here, Margaritaville, Grill and Brew. These boats that go around here. There's the entrance to Universal Studios. Yeah, over there is Island Adventure. It's more roller coasters and all that. Hard Rock. I'm not going to go to the theme parks. I've already done all the theme parks here, even Volcano Bay, which I don't even think Volcano Bay is open, but to give you guys an idea of what it looks like around Orlando. If I included all the theme parks, this video would be 4 hours long, because there's that much. After all, Orlando is the adventure capital of America in terms of theme parks. If that's your thing, this is the place you want to go. And there is a look at the entrance to Islands of Adventure. That's where all the adventure rides are. Look at this Margaritaville City Walk. Well, Jimmy Buffett. All right, so after having a couple beers at Margaritaville, we are now headed over to International Drive. I'm actually going to take a bus to get there instead of an Uber. This is what it looks like on the way out. You got to cross this bridge. You can see the parking situation is a bit of a mess, but if you do take the bus, it's probably the best decision you'll make. Although if you're with a big family, Uber, Lyft, it's good, but the parking situation, these big towers, I don't know. You gotta get hundreds of thousands of people through here per week, maybe millions. So you can easily get a bus from the resorts to Universal Studios, or from Universal Studios back. They also have the resort shuttle, ride share. This one right here is called Surfside Dock. Big old hotel resort right next to the theme parks. Right here. So maybe a 5-minute bus ride. Okay, so we've arrived at Icon Park. This is a place you can go without having to pay for any park admission, but what you get here is a ride by ride fare, so you pay per ride. I'm going to show you some of these rides when they're in action here. But you've got this beast of a ride, I don't even know what they call it, slingshot here. You've got this Icon Park Ferris wheel. You've got a guy in a Honda Civic that backfires. Nice car, dude. And then you've got this big swing. Look at that swing. They're actually getting ready to go in the air right now. It goes so high up there. This is a Icon Park right here. Let's take a tour around and show you what this place looks like at the ground level. Look at that. Welcome to Icon Park here. Wow. So yeah, Icon Park is on International Drive. This is a really popular place for conferences or businesses to get together. There's the Yard House. That big old Ferris wheel. My goodness. It's gonna be fun to show this place off. So in Icon Park, they do have a variety of different restaurants, and they got Sugar Factory, Tin Roof, Yard House, Gordon Ramsay's Fish and Chips, Buffalo Wild Wings, Outback Steakhouse. So it's a place to come eat and ride some rides. Hey, they've got a Build-A-Bear for the kids and a Breathe, a modern wellness bar and an oxygen bar. We're gonna go check out this big swing here next to Outback Steakhouse. I know you guys want me to go on it, but I'm not doing any rides today. I'm just showing you the rides. You're gonna have to actually go on the rides when you get here. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, hit the like button. That's all I ask. It helps get the video out to a larger audience, which encourages me to make more travel guides all around the world. Not just the United States, not just Florida, not just Orlando. That's why you guys should subscribe. We get around island hopping. Let's find out how much it is. SeaWorld here. So this is actually called the Star Flyer, the Orlando Star Flyer. It's $11.27 per ride. 450 feet tall. Same day rider, do it twice, $7.50. Nice. Look at this sucker. Way up there. Holy moly, up above the clouds. Up and away. There they go. Up and away. What is this place? Old Red. Okay. Tapatoro. You'll let it stand right here, I guess. That's the slingshot. That'll be interesting. Look at those guys. Way up there. Jeez. Crazy times. Go to the moon. my goodness. All right, so now we're gonna head back down International Drive here. Go by this Pirates Cove, place to play mini golf. Like I said, International Drive is just really popular with people who come for conventions. I think Orlando is known as the convention capital of the country, so look at this, Pirates Cove Adventure Golf. All right, so now we will probably head over to Disney Springs. Let's go head over there. Okay, we have made it to Disney Springs. This is the Disney side of Orlando. Got the Rainforest Cafe over here. There's gonna be a lake right here, a real nice lake. This is like a mall outdoor area to hang out, kind of like the Universal City Walk. You guys have probably seen Rainforest Cafes all across the country. This is just a look inside. Cool place for the kids. Enchanted. What do they have going on here? Is that some show or something? Tuning up. Like Krakatoa. Oh wow. Fire breathing mountain. Okay. The lava lounge. Okay. They said there's crocodiles in here. It's a cool little dragon there. You know, Disney has some cool areas like this, also including Epcot. But here at this place you have the Lego, you know, because Legoland's close by. I think it's in Winter Haven, or is it Lakeland? But you got this T-Rex. So this is a cool place for the kids, but it's an outdoor mall. It's basically free to walk around here. You don't have to pay an admission or anything. Have the World of Disney over there. Let's keep walking. Look at this steamboat. There's a little turtle. Two turtles. Ooh, the Paddlefish. That's what it's called. Okay. I think they have like a World of Coke here or something like that. This is just cruising around Disney Springs though. Got waterfront dining at the Boathouse over here. I'm probably gonna go to this oyster bar here at the Boathouse. I've eaten here before. Man, this place is hopping. Here's where you get those amphib cars. So you just kind of go in a boat. This old car. That's cool. All right, I'm gonna get some seafood margarita. Yeah.
Just showing what if there's he was updating people to know when you have certain levels.
All right, some shrimp scampi. Nice. So there's Planet Hollywood. Got several different places. There's the big balloon. People actually ride that thing. It goes up. But yeah, if you're gonna visit here in Orlando, you're gonna need 5 to 7 days. I would say do the first 3 days at Lake Buena Vista in Disney. Do the Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom. Yeah, you're gonna have to pay for different passes though. And in the evening time, you can come here to Disney Springs and check out this big balloon right there on the water. This is all the area around Lake Buena Vista, like I was saying. You can see, this is mostly the Disney side. From here, you head north, okay, towards International Drive. And from International Drive, that's where you're going to be near the Universal Studios area. Now, Universal Studios, you're going to need to finish up with probably about 4 days, because there's 2 theme parks, there's a water park, and there's SeaWorld up there, as well as International Drive, which is where you'll probably eat. So yes, 5 to 7 days in Orlando, more than likely, is what you're gonna have to do. Hope that doesn't upset anyone. 7 days in Orlando is what I recommend. It's gonna cost you around $5,000 if you have a family. It's a family of about 2 to 3 kids. So that's just what it is. Anyways, concluding this episode of a travel guide from Orlando, touched on the 3 corridors. Disney Springs, which is the Disney corridor. That's Epcot, Animal Kingdom, Magic Kingdom, and Hollywood Studios. Also touched on International Drive, which is the middle of the town, which is nearby Universal, but not quite Universal. That's where SeaWorld is. And that corridor there is a good one. And then the Universal City Walk, which is the Universal corridor. There's downtown, but I'm omitting that from this because there's not too much going on in downtown. It's just like any other downtown in America. You can skip downtown Orlando. See you guys on the next one, and don't forget to subscribe and keep up with us on more videos.